it's me, Enderkid. Today we're talking about all things Minecraft. Welcome to Minecraft Facts and Hacks podcast. We are starting today at episode 1 with the basics. There are dimensions: the overworld, the nether, and end. The hacks of today are the overworld. We can build an awesome house with houses with we can make swings by putting some trapdoors down and adding lightning rods connecting to the tree, and done. Then we can make a hot tub by digging 3 deep, placing campfires at the bottom, then putting a layer above it, then fill it up with water, and we're done. Now time for the nether. We can build a pig mount by putting a piglin head on the wall. Simple, right? Next we gotta hoglin proof our build. Put 4 layers of warped fungus around it, and done. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And this is a series of videos, so make sure to watch them all.